Hey guys, today I'm making banana puri. Start by making the syrup. In a pan on high heat, add in the sugar and water and mix it together gently. Allow this to boil for about 5 minutes till it reaches the one thread consistency. To test that, add a little bit of the syrup into a cold bowl or saucer. Press the mixture between your fingers and it should create a single thread of syrup. To make the dough, mix together the ice water and lemon juice and set it aside. Into a large bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, and softened butter. Mix it together well using a fork. Add in the water a little at a time till the mixture starts to look a bit shaggy. Then swap out the fork for your hand and mix everything together till it forms a stiff ball of dough. Place the dough onto a work surface and roll the edges into itself to form a neat ball. Flatten it out slightly, then use a sharp knife to divide the dough equally into 5 pieces. Roll each piece of dough into a ball. Then use some additional flour to roll each ball of dough into a 20 centimeter round. Place one piece of dough onto a well-floured surface. Spread on about a tablespoon of melted butter and sprinkle on some flour. If you're looking for a more decorative or more flaky banana puri, then instead of using flour between the layers, substitute for corn flour or maizena. Repeat with all the layers. Then roll it out using a rolling pin to about 1 millimeter thickness. Spread the remaining batter on top and sprinkle on some additional flour. Start on the long edge and roll it up tightly into a Swiss roll shape. Pinch the edges to seal completely. Divide the dough into two. Then use a sharp knife to slice it into approximately 1 centimeter pieces. Add one piece at a time onto a clean surface without any flour and roll up and down using a rolling pin to about 2 millimeter thickness. Heat about 1.5 to 2 centimeters of oil and add in a few pieces of the banana puri at a time. Turn them back and forth using a fork till they almost turn golden brown. Then remove them from the oil and drain on some paper towels. If you're using the corn flour between the layers, then the end result will look like this. You could also use a fork to separate the layers while it fries if you were looking for a more decorative banana puri. While the banana puris are still warm, dip them into the syrup, then place them onto your serving platter. Add on a light sprinkling of coconut, and they're ready to serve. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.